Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Total Chaos Doom 2 mod. First, you will need to download the mod files from a trusted website. Make sure you have a legal copy of Doom 2 already installed. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, organized folder. Double-check that your computer meets the mod's minimum specifications for the best experience. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable journey into the game. To launch Total Chaos, we recommend using a modern source port such as GZDoom. Simply drag and drop the primary Total Chaos PK3 file directly onto your GZDoom executable. An alternative method involves configuring your source port's launcher to automatically load the mod. Before diving in, always confirm that Total Chaos is listed as an active mod within your source port's menu. This step is crucial for a successful launch. When playing Total Chaos, resource management is key. Ammunition is extremely limited, so conserve every single round. Employ stealth tactics and use the environment to your advantage, often avoiding direct combat. Thorough exploration will reward you with hidden items and vital supplies. Learning enemy attack patterns will significantly improve your survival chances. These strategies will help you navigate the challenging world. For an optimized experience, fine-tune your video and audio settings within your chosen source port. Refer to the official Total Chaos documentation for detailed configuration guides and advanced options. If you encounter any issues, online forums are excellent resources for community-driven solutions to common problems. Always double-check that all mod files are correctly installed and not corrupted. This ensures a stable and immersive gameplay session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.